If you're diving into the world of SEO, then you need to understand the power of the right keywords. Keywords are not just words, they're the secret sauce that boosts your website's visibility. But what makes a good keyword? First, it should be relevant to your content. If you sell handmade soaps, you want keywords that soap enthusiasts are actually searching for. Next, consider the search volume. High volume means more people are looking for that keyword, but also more competition. And here's where it gets spicy. You need the right balance. Keywords with decent search volume but not overly competitive are your gold mines. Now let's talk about keyword authority, and no one does it better than Authority Solutions. They specialize in identifying authoritative keywords that not only match your niche, but are also primed to elevate your SEO game. Why does this matter? Because Google loves authority. When your site becomes a credible source for specific keywords, Google boosts your rankings, leading more visitors to your site. And more visitors, more potential customers. So, to wrap it up, to master SEO, choose keywords that are relevant, have a balanced search volume, and carry authority. With Authority Solutions, you're not just playing the SEO game, you're winning it. And hey, if you found this snippet helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights that keep you ahead in the digital space.